Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook bluegill whole. First, gently scale your freshly caught bluegill. Use the back of a knife or a scaler, moving against the direction of the scales. Then, make a shallow incision along the belly, from the vent to the gills. Remove all the internal organs, ensuring nothing is left inside. Rinse the fish thoroughly under cold water, both inside and out, until the water runs completely clear. Pat them dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for crispy skin and even cooking. Now, let's infuse some incredible flavor into our bluegill. A classic combination of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper is perfect. Sprinkle a generous amount both inside the cavity and all over the skin. For an extra aromatic touch, insert 2 thin lemon slices and a sprig of fresh dill into the belly of each fish. You can also lightly dust them with a pinch of garlic powder or smoked paprika. Remember, a light hand ensures the delicate fish flavor remains prominent, not overwhelmed. Pan frying is arguably the best way to achieve that sought-after crispy skin and tender flesh. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or canola oil in a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. You want the oil to shimmer, reaching around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your seasoned bluegill into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook each fish for approximately 4 to 6 minutes per side, depending on its size, until it turns a beautiful golden brown and flakes easily with a fork. If you prefer a different approach, baking or grilling whole bluegill are fantastic alternatives. For baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the seasoned fish on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, or wrap them loosely in foil with a pat of butter and herbs. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. For grilling, ensure your grill grates are clean and well-oiled to prevent sticking. Then cook over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes per side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.